If you have some Qatayef at home, try this recipe without deep frying and without oven. Very fast and very delicious. First, get the Qatayef dough made for frying. It's larger in size. Adjust each two pieces together so they match in size. Take one Qatayef dough and put some cheese inside it. Add a good amount of cheese, just like I'm adding. Now put the other Qatayef dough on the top and seal the edges together. Seal it very well so the cheese doesn't come outside. This way it's ready. I will make 2 Qatayef with cheese and I will make another 2 with ashta. Ashta is the clotted cream that we put inside the Oriental sweets. Put the ashta on one dough like we did with the cheese. And don't forget to put a generous amount of ashta. Close it with another Qatayef and seal the edges very well. Prepare all the Qatayef and now let's move to frying them on the pan. Now in a frying pan, put some butter and a little bit of vegetable oil to prevent the butter from burning. Put it on one side until it takes a golden color. The heat is medium at this stage. Now put it on the other side and leave it until it takes the same color. Make sure to leave it enough until all the cheese is melted inside. I put it on a paper to absorb all the extra butter and oil and now it's ready to be served. Now serve it and add some atar. Atar is the sugar syrup that we add to the Oriental sweets. And with that, just in few minutes, the dessert is ready. It's very delicious and very easy to make. It's a bit crunchy on the outside and soft from the inside. It's similar to the Qatayef that we make in the oven. Tell me which one do you like more, Qatayef with ashta or with cheese? The good thing about this recipe is that you don't have to deep fry the Qatayef or to preheat the oven for a long time. It's ready just in a few minutes and it's very yummy. This is the one with ashta inside. It's so good. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.